Hi, and welcome to the history of the solar system and Milky Way.
Right after the Big Bang. Big Bang appeared like 13 billion years ago, maybe. A huge explosion happened. It went from zero to everything, everywhere, in a matter of seconds. Things were really hot, and there was almost nothing. Well, then, quarks and protons, and electrons, and neutrons, and a lot of messy things. Protons and neutrons collided to make deuterium, an isotope of hydrogen. Most of the deuterium combined to make helium, and trace amounts of lithium were also generated. Things at that time were really boring. But then a little thing called gravity came, and things started to get tight, though it took so long for that. About 400 million years after the Big Bang, the universe began to emerge from the cosmic dark ages during the epoch of reionization. During this time, which lasted more than half billion years, clumps of gas collapsed enough to form the first stars and galaxies, whose energetic ultraviolet light ionized and destroyed most of the neutral hydrogen. Galaxy formation period. Now we have stars, new elements, and, well, dying. Stars became bigger and bigger, some died in a very boring way, others just exploded really hard, like supernovas. With that, we have the formation of different galaxies, especially our beautiful Milky Way. Some scientists say that it formed at least 3 billion years ago. Others say that it could have the same age of the universe. Our galaxy is a highly evolved organism. Not random stars, not accidental black holes, but an elegant structure of everything. The Milky Way is a spiral disk galaxy, similar to many others out in the universe. But how did it start? Well, with a nice thing we call nebulous blobs of gas. A huge communion of different components made out of dead stars and universal materials, like hydrogen or carbon. But unfortunately, the whole process of birth and formation has not been discovered yet.
Our solar system formed about 4.5 billion years ago from a dense cloud of interstellar gas and dust. The cloud collapsed, possibly due to the shockwave of a nearby exploring star, called a supernova. When this dust cloud collapsed, it formed a solar nebula, a spinning, swirling disk of material. At the center, gravity pulled more and more material in. Eventually, the pressure in the core was so great that the hydrogen atoms began to combine and form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. With that, our sun was born, and eventually amassed more than 90% of the valuable matter. An interesting fact is that our solar system is located between two prominent spiral arms, in what astronomers once thought was a mere bridge of stars, gas, and dust clouds. In recent decades, research advances have revealed that we live in our very own spiral arm of the galaxy, albeit a relatively minor one. Our spiral arm is formally called the Orion Cinemus arm. It's also known as the simply Orion arm or local arm, and you sometimes still hear names Orion Bridge or Orion Spur. Creation of the planets. Matter farther out in the disk was also clumping together. These clumps smashed into one another, forming larger and larger objects. Some of them grew big enough for their gravity to shape into spheres, becoming planets, dwarf planets, and large moons. In other cases, the planets did not form. The asteroid belt is made of bits and pieces of the Earth's solar system that could never climb together into a planet. Other smaller leftover pieces became asteroids, comets, meteorites, and small irregular moons. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed that video, smash that button like. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!